Hello, welcome to this brief tutorial on how to create a home page in your Canvas course. Let's get started. To set a home page in Canvas, you need to know how to create a page, how to set a page as a front page, and how to choose a home page in Canvas. I'll begin by showing you how to set an existing page as a front page in Canvas. Open your course. Notice that modules are the first thing that you see when we first access the course. I'm going to show you how to change that. Click on Pages in the left course menu. If you've already created a suitable front page, find it in your list of pages. Click on the ellipsis at the end of the row. Then click on Use as Front Page. You'll notice the front page icon appear next to your page title. Now that you've seen a list of pages, I'll show you how to create a new page. Click the Add Page button at the top right of the screen. Type your page title in the top bar. Then type your information in the space below. I have a preset message for the purpose of this video. Make sure you include your name, contact information, and office hours. This header operates similarly to Microsoft Word. You can change the font color, you can change the font size, you can change text justification, you can also add hyperlinks to your text. You can even add a picture in this area if you'd like. I already have one saved in my files, but you can upload one from your computer. Make sure to add alt text for Canvas users who use screen readers. You can adjust the size of a picture by clicking and dragging in the picture's corner. Once you finish your message, click Save and Publish, or just save it if you don't want the content published yet. After you save your page, you'll see a preview of it. Now, let's make this new page the front page of the course. Click on the ellipsis next to Edit. You'll see the option to use as front page, but it's grayed out. You must publish a page before you're allowed to use it as a front page. So, click the Publish button. Now click on the ellipsis again and click Use as Front Page. The front page icon now appears next to the Publish button on your new page. Finally, let's set our front page as the home page of this course. Click Home in the left course menu. Then click Choose Home Page at the top right of your screen. Select the radio button next to Pages Front Page. Then click Save. Your home page is now set to the front page in your course. I hope this tutorial was helpful in describing how to set your home page in Canvas. Remember, you can always search the Canvas guides for step-by-step instructions on how to complete tasks in Canvas. I'll leave the link to the Canvas guides in the description box below. This concludes the tutorial for how to create a home page in Canvas. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you're notified when more tutorials are uploaded. Thanks for watching.